Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Megashri from Yogic Homeo Science. Today I'm going to share a little bit tips about eczema and its treatment with homeopathic medicines, because with homeopathic medicine so many people have a little bit kind of prejudice that does it work, or its action is little bit slow, and does it really kind of bring the cure. Of course it's bring us and really kind of miracle, because eczema like diseases is literally very hard to cure, because it's one of the chronic skin diseases which is really hard for curing. But with homeopathic medicines you are 100% sure that your eczema will be gone, because in allopathic medicines there is no such kind of results where you can get an complete relieved from the eczema. But with the homeopathic medicine I am 100% sure, and I had seen it with my eyes with my patient, that homeopathic medicines help eczema patient to completely get cured. Okay, let's see about three types of things which are really kind of common in all kinds of skin diseases, because with eczema you can also get confused towards the herpes zoster and the ulcers, because they also kind of look the same way. Whereas first we'll come to know what is eczema. Before you come to know about what are the things which is causing it, first you should know what it is. So it is an itching eruption after vaccination with intolerable itching. When there is an itching, there will be a discharge which will be of copious secretion, means it will be literally kind of watery, and the discharge will be so sticky kind of thing. All discharges will be oozing out kind of thing. And there is also a kind of dry eczema also in some patients. Not all patients suffer with the dry eczema, but the dry eczema oozing out blood is also kind of seen in so many patients. Where are the places where we can see the eczema? Most of the patients you can see the eczema in the head and the lower limbs, means the foot area. Whereas in the head is covered with an means you can come to know that whenever you see that there is an layer which is covered on your head, and in eczema you can see the layers of skin. That is how you differentiate between the other diseases and the eczema. The discharges will be copious and serious sometimes, which is also a kind of thick with an. You can also kind of see the ulcers with the eczema, because most of the patients says that they also have an ulcers kind of thing with their eczema, because the eczema will be almost for an year but the ulcers will not be with them, but it comes and goes and it will be alternative. Ulcers will be thick yellowish, in which the thick yellow pus oozing out, and there will be so much kind of an uh, pimple like watery bumps. You can see that in a common language if I say. And there will be very bad itching, which is itch violently, and they also kind of burn like an fire. That is also kind of seen, but burning like an fire is more in an dry eczema than in the other two eczemas, that is wet eczema or the copious secretion eczema. Whereas other common symptoms which is associated with the eczema is skin looks old and dry. For the people who are affected with the eczema, skin is always getting wrinkled and folds. There is always itching in the skin. When you scratch, there will be always an reddish appearance. Liver spots on the chest and the arms. If you see this kinds of thing in the common areas of the skin, means if you find all these kinds of symptoms and if you have an eruption, then you can differentiate that it is an eczema, and there is no other kind of thing which is related to it. whereas you can also differentiate between the things. Means here I am saying that the eczema patients will be saying that the symptoms of itching or oozing out of copious secretion or feeling discomfort or skin getting dry, something like this, will be worsened by this situation. Means during the night time, during the daytime everyone will be all right because they will be occupied with their work related things, but during the night time when they are at rest, the mind goes to the disease thing. So because of that, their itching is intense during the night time. And some people also says when they get on the bed the itching starts, and it is also one of the common symptom. And some people also say that when they touch the eruption they get the itching, because it is also a kind of common thing in all kinds of things. And after taking the bath also, some kind of people say that it worsens our itching, and after they apply some coconut oil or the ointment, the itching will be kind of cool down. If you are having an itching or dryness after you take bath, I think you should be changing your soap, because your soap has the highest pH. So I advise you that you should take the soap which is related to the eczema. Okay, when the conditions are worst and the patient also says that they feel better in the open air, means whenever they are in an outside area which is cool and windy, they feel better. And whenever they are in a kind of a place where there is an fresh air, or by fanning or air conditioned room or something like that, means that they does not like to sweat, because when you sweat of course the eruptions gets itchy and there will be intense itching, because you itch, scratch on the eruptions, there will be oozing out of blood. After that there will be an fire like sensation also. And these are the few kinds of symptoms which you can see in the eczema. If you have any kind of queries about homeopathic medicines which is related to eczema or other diseases, you can comment on the comment section, so that I will be looking into that and I will be working on that. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and also share my videos for someone who is in the need. And I really appreciate if you press on the bell icon, because whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Thank you for watching. Please do keep supporting me like this. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.